Christmas tree looks so good this time of year. Mom says it's time to make cookies. Okay. I'm coming. I hate Christmas. Well, why do you hate Christmas? Because all season long, I have to sit on top of you. The Christmas balls don't mind it, not do they? No, but they at least get to look around. Well, all I get to do
make
is look at the wall. That's why I hate Christmas. Why are you so happy about Christmas? Well, for one, I get to get out of the attic. And for two, I get to celebrate the season. And why the giving? Why the presents? Why? Well, because... Well, just listen to this story.